Yes. Now, chapter name is solid state, and topic is imperfection in solid. Children, as you know, how crystalline solids are formed. Now, crystalline solids are formed by regular repetition of constituent particles in all the directions. Simple concept. Regular repetition of constituent particles, a regular repetition of unit cell in all the directions. So this is the concept of formation of crystalline solids. Now, what is a perfect what is a perfect crystal, or we would say ideal crystal? So the concept of ideal crystal is, an ideal crystal has same unit cell containing same lattice point throughout the whole of crystal, throughout the crystal. So simple. So in an ideal crystal, so topic, see this, the topic is chapter name solid state. Now in this topic we are discussing very important topic, imperfections in solids. Now, what is a concept imperfection in solids, right? The concept of ideal crystal. An ideal or perfect crystal has same unit cell containing same lattice point throughout the crystal. So this is the concept of ideal crystal or perfect crystal, okay, right? Containing the same lattice point throughout the crystal. Now, second point, ideal crystal exists at absolute temperature. All right. So if any temperature, above absolute temperature, below the temperature, so see this, how this defect is generated. So here I am going to see this. This is these simple, okay, these are the lattice points. These are the completely ordered lattice points. Okay. These are the ideal arrangement, completely ordered ideal arrangement of constituent particles, or we would say unit cells. This is the ideal or perfect arrangement of unit cell or lattice point. Okay, so these are the lattice points, right? So this is the ideal arrangement. Now if we change the temperature above the absolute temperature or below the temperature, what would happen? So any irregularities, these are the lattice point. So any irregularities or deviation is there, right, from this complete ordered arrangement of constituent particles in a crystal. all right, तो लेट में कहीं भी थोड़ा सा डेविएशन हो जाए, टेम्परेचर कम ज़्यादा एब्सोल्यूट कराइज करें, तो क्या होता है, इन ये जो लेटिस पॉइंट है इनमें डेविएशन हो जाता है, एनी डिपार्चर, तो वी कैन राइट एनी डिपार्चर कि व्हाट इज defect. So these are simple. Now crystal, I am rubbing this. Now what is imperfection solid? So we can write any deviation or irregularities from completely ordered arrangement of constituent particles in a crystal. ओके सिंपल, ये कंप्लीटली ऑर्डर्ड है, इनमें अगर थोड़ा सा भी इरेगुलरिटीज हो रही है, सो दिस इज अ कॉन्सेप्ट, तो इज नोन एज डिफेक्ट्स, राइट. तो दिस इज नोन एज कंप्लीटली पार्टिकल्स में जरा सा अरेंजमेंट ऑफ कंप्लीट पार्टिकल्स इन अ क्रिस्टल, राइट, इज नोन एज या इज कॉल्ड disorder or imperfect, right, or defect. All right, so 3 words. We can speak like a disorder in the crystals, imperfections in the crystal, or we will say defects in crystals. So children, see this. This way disorder is formed, okay, imperfection in solid is formed, defects in crystalline solid is formed. So this is way. So this is a concept. So this is a concept of imperfections or disorder, imperfection or defect in solid. So any deviation, so point is that any deviation or irregularities, right, from completely ordered arrangement, right, of constituent particles in a crystal. So constituent particles, they may be unit cell, okay, right. So these are the constituent particles. Now next, we all know these perfect imperfections or disorder, or we would say defects, will not change only the properties of solid, but also it give rise to new properties to the crystal. Alright, कहने का पॉइंट है कि इसमें प्रॉपर्टीज चेंज होती हैं, लेकिन साथ में कि नई प्रॉपर्टीज में इसमें आ जाती हैं. सो दिस इज ऑल अबाउट द इम्परफेक्शन इन सॉलिड. ठीक है, अब इम्परफेक्शन के बाद आफ्टर दिस वी आर मूविंग टूवर्ड्स द टाइप्स ऑफ डिफेक्ट. ओके, कि ब्रॉडली टाइप्स ऑफ डिफेक्ट, टाइप्स of defects. Okay, so broadly speaking there are 2 types. Okay, one is point defect, and second is line defect. Okay, point defect also known as atomic imperfections, atomic defect or imperfections, whatever you can speak, disorder. Okay, so point defect या atomic defect or line defect. So what is a point defect, right? So simple, this is a complete arrangement, ideal arrangement of constituent particles. So simple is what is how it arises, means irregularity. So see this point defect, this is the point or their ideal arrangement of, right, constituent particles. Now ideal arrangement of, so this is a what is a point defect. So this is also it arises due to the irregularities or deviations from ideal arrangement of atoms, right, around a point. Ideal arrangement of atoms around a point. Okay, so this is an ideal arrangement of atom around a point. So what is this? So it arises irregularities. Suppose this is a lattice point. Okay, इसमें कोई प्रॉब्लम आ गई, irregularities आ गई, deviations आ गई. Okay, around चारों तरफ आइडियल अरेंजमेंट है, परफेक्टली अरेंजमेंट है, right? So this is known as a point defect. So this is known as a point defect. Now, what is a line defect? लाइन डिफेक्ट में आइडियल अरेंजमेंट इन इंटायर रो, आइडियल अरेंजमेंट इन पॉइंट, तो दिस इज अ फॉर्म ऑफ रो. ओके, रो. तो आइडियल या परफेक्ट अरेंजमेंट इन entire row of points in a crystal. Okay, so this is a line. Okay, this is a row line. Okay, so if there is any irregularities or deviations, right, in the entire row, right, so entire row of lattice points, so this is known as line defect. Okay, so very simple it is given. So point defect, sometimes it is also known as atomic defects, or this is a line defects. Now these irregularities are also known as a crystal defect. Now I am reviewing. Okay, so children, in this today's we have covered what is imperfection in solid. So as you all know ki what is a ideal crystal, okay, and what is the temperature of ideal crystal, or practically we cannot grow a perfect crystal, right? It is very difficult to grow, to maintain the ideal crystal conditions for ideal crystals. Now next thing is we have studied, right, the concept of imperfections in solid. So what you have studied, any irregularities, any deviations from completely ordered arrangement of constituent particles in a crystal is known as imperfection in solid, or disorder, or right, defects in solids. Now then types, so broadly there are two types, point defect and line defect. So children, in next video we will study point defect, how many types of point defect, in vacancy defect or interstitial defect. Okay, thank you.